The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, fifth chapter, text number 13, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on June 13th, 1969, at the New Vrindavan Farm Community.
Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jiva Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Sabdante He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpati Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namaste Tattva Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Bragavan Te Devi Pranamami Haripriya Vanchakalpatarubhascha Kripa Sindhabhaya Vacha Patitanam Pavanebhya Vaishnavi Bhuno Namo Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. Atho Mahabhago Bhavanamo Bhadrik Suchisrava Sattarata Dhita Brataha Urukramasya Khilavanda Muktai Samadhina Anusmaratad Vichestitam. Each and every word of Srimad Bhagavatam full of volumes of explanation, each and every word. This is Srimad Bhagavatam, Vidya Bhagavatam. One's learning will be understood when he is able to understand Srimad Bhagavatam. Vidya. Vidya means learning. Not this science, that science. One can understand Srimad Bhagavatam in true perspective. Then he is to be understood that he has finished his all educational advancement. Avadhi. Avadhi means this is the limit of education. Vidya Bhagavata Avadhi. Here Narada says that Akhila Bandha Muktaye, you should present literature for the people so that they can become liberated from this conditional stage of life. Not that you should more and more entangle them in this condition. That is the main theme of Narada's instruction to Vyasdev. Why should you present rubbish literature? To continue the conditional stage. Whole Vedic civilization is meant for giving liberation to the living entities from this material bondage. People do not know what is the aim of education. The aim of education, the aim of civilization, perfection of civilization, should be how people should get liberated from this conditional life. That is the whole scheme of Vedic civilization, to give liberation to the people. So it is said, Akhila Bandha Muktaye. Samadhina Akhilasya Bandhasya Muktaye. Akhilasya Bandhasya. We are in conditional state, perpetually bound up by the laws of material nature. This is our status. And Narada is giving instruction to Vyasdev, the present literature, so that they can become liberated. Don't give them more and more opportunity to continue this conditional life. Akila bandhana. Akila. Akila means complete, wholesale. And who can give this contribution? That is also stated that Apo Mahabhago Bhavan Amoghatrik, whose vision is clear. Whose vision is clear. Is it disturbed?
Is it disturbing you?
Yes. Clear vision. Unless one has clear vision, how he can do welfare activities? He do not know what is welfare. His vision is clouded. If one's vision is clouded, if you do not know what is the destination of your journey, how you can make progress? Therefore, the qualification, those who are prepared to do good to the human society, they must have clear vision. Then where is the clear vision? Everyone is becoming leader, everyone is trying to lead people, but he himself is blind. He does not know what is the end of life. Nati vidu shartha gatin Vishnu. So therefore, Vasudev can do it, because he has clear vision. Narad certifies. Narad knows his disciple what is the position. A spiritual master knows what is the condition, just like a physician knows by simply feeling the beating of pulse. An expert physician can know what is the condition of this patient, and he treats him and gives him medicine accordingly. Similarly, a spiritual master, who is actually spiritual master, he can know, he knows the pulse beating of the disciple, and he therefore gives him particular kind of medicine so that he may be cured. So, Narad Muni knows what is the status of Vasudev. He knows that he has got clear vision. Amoghadrik. Siddhartha Swami says, Amogha. Mogha means Mogha means sinful. And amogha means without any sin. Amogha. So long one leads sinful life, he cannot have clear vision. Disease condition. How? Physician heals life, he cannot have clear vision. Therefore amogha drik means he is liberated person. He can see. Amogha drik. Drik means vision. Amogha drik. And Suchisrava. Suchisrava. Suchisrava means whose srava means oral reception. Suchi. Suchi means pure. Who has received knowledge by oral reception in pure heart or from the pure source. Suchisrava. Suchi means pure. Srava. Srava means hearing. Suchi. These are the qualifications of the person who can actually do benefit to the human society. Not that everyone can do. That is the mistake of the everyone is giving some idea and some theory that this way there will be peace, there will be nice thing in the world.